Hi everyone, and welcome to the VIP program installation training. Today we're going to talk about the green cable surface XL and the uncoupling membranes. Today we'll be looking at how to choose a cable model, how to measure. I'll do an example, you'll do an exercise later on. We'll have a small break. We'll talk about the tools we need to install a cable. We'll talk about the installation rules. To have a better understanding of them. We're gonna do a few tricks of the trade, and then I'll do an installation demonstration for you. You need to understand that the heating cable is compatible as long with the subfloor, as long as the cementitious product is compatible also with the subfloor. So first off, we can install the cable over plywood and also OSB. For the OSB, it's new, so you have to make sure that the cementitious product, mainly the self-leveler, is compatible with the OSB before installing any cable on that surface. For the acoustic membrane, it's also possible. The goal is to install the cable over the acoustic membrane, as the acoustic membrane also has a thermal resistance. So if you install the cable under the acoustic membrane, you'll lose some heat going to the top floor. As you may know, for a couple of years, we've been using uncoupling membranes. First, with the uncoupling membrane, you need to understand that you can install ceramic tiles, porcelain, and natural stone. Any other type of top floor or floor covering is not permitted. Also, for every manufacturer, there's actually 3 manufacturers doing uncoupling membranes. From every manufacturer, they recommend a spacing at 3 stud. We also recommend 3 stud spacing for a cable installation. It means that a different cable spacing the same cable will not cover the same area, depending on the membrane you use. For the concrete, you have to be careful, mainly when you're installing cable in a very small room. When installing on a small room, if the concrete is not insulated, you're going to lose a lot of heat at the perimeter and in the concrete slab. So it's important to first insulate the concrete and then install your cable on top of that. For a larger room, it's not a big problem. For sand coat or mortar bed, mainly used in shower floor, no problem installing the cable. If you install a cable, for example, one in the shower floor and one in the bathroom, and you hook them up to the same thermostat, you might feel a difference in temperature because the sand coat is probably thicker than what's on the bathroom floor. It's also possible to install heating cable over existing tiling, as long as they don't sound hollow, they're not cracked, that the grout lines are in good shape. You will treat the installation as the existing subfloor. So if the tile are already installed on a concrete floor, you'll treat the installation as a concrete. And if it's installed over plywood, then you will treat the installation as on plywood. Now about the floor coverings, they're listed there in terms of best to worst in terms of dissipating the heat. First of all, ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, they are all very dense material that will dissipate the heat very properly, very uniform heat dissipation.